Hi everyone, welcome to my coin data. So here I've collected data about the coins. Here I've collected data about the coin's value, coin's color and coin's radius. It was a trial. So what is a radius first of all? So a radius is the measurement from the center to the edge of the circle. So and and if you multiply it, that is the diameter. So the diameter is when you measure from any side of the circle, it will be the same number. So next, here are the other pieces of data. So here I've collected the sorted by the year. The oldest coins are at the top and the newest coins are at the bottom. It's sorted by the year of manufacturing. This is my first measurements about the coin value, coin color, coin diameter and coin radius. So I measured it with a simple ruler. I used to make this simple ruler, compass, pencil, eraser and of course coins and crayons. So here I had made I have made 10 golden coins, 10 silver coin, a few golden and silver coins and a few copper coins. So let me explain my observations. So first I found in the golden, what is the biggest and the smallest? In the radius, here in the golden, it is 0.95 centimeter, the smallest in golden, and biggest 1.25 centimeters. Like that, it will be going for silver, golden silver, and copper. So the total coins I observed is 28. The smallest of out all of them is 0.85 centimeters of copper, and the biggest of all is golden silver, 1.4 centimeters. And here I collected with year, and here I measured about year. I've stacked them in order. So at the top you can see is the oldest coin, which was made back in 1970, and the newest coin is made in 2020. So here I've visualized in graphical visualization. So here I made a simple chart. So the red dots you can see is for the 1. The 1 and the 2 is used with lemon, and the 3 is used with green, and the 4 is used with blue, and then the last one black is no data. So here the x-axis. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, and this is the on the x-axis there is the year of coin manufacturing, and then on the y-axis there is how many coins of that year. So as you can see, there are no coins in the 5, and all the coins come in range of 1 to 4. See which one is easier to read, this number visualization or the chart I made. The chart I made, right? So from simple coins to making we play with simple coins and use to pay them. But they but I've come with up with such a nice amazing data with simple coins. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more data. Say your bye in the chat bar. Bye.